Hey friends, and welcome back. So I'm really excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun today to share with you a few of their brand new winter 2018 add-ons. Now, if you followed my channel for a while, you already know that Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. They have fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. The boxes are only $49.99, but the retail value is always well over $200. It is absolutely hands down my very favorite subscription box. I have never been disappointed. I'm so excited because Fabfitfun just opened their winter add-ons, and add-ons are a members only flash sale where you can shop amazing products that ship with your box. Their add-ons always sell out super fast, so if you see anything that you like that I'm talking about, be sure to head right over to their website and add the add-on to your box. And if you're already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription to gain early access to add-ons, which I highly recommend because they really do sell out super fast, you guys. So I'm going to be sharing a preview of some of their fabulous winter add-ons with you all. So I see the first item I received is from Daily Concepts, and this is the Your Back Scrubber with Smart Technology. Oh, you can use this for intense massage. You can also use it as a foot scrubber or as a back scrub. You can see it's made out of a kind of rough, almost loofah-like material, and it does have handles on each end. Oh, and this is really nice. It comes with a suction cup that you just attach onto the packaging, because the packaging is actually like a silicone material, and then you can hang it up in your shower, and that's a really great way to let the massager air dry. So I love that. Multi-use packaging. So my husband's gonna love this. I know he can't wait to give my pregnant self a massage. The next add-on is from Urban Leaf. This is really cute packaging. This is so cute. It's a little mini herb growing kit. I love that. This is perfect for winter because you can't really grow these things outdoors when it gets too cold. So you can do it all in the comfort of your home. It comes with little germination stickers and 3 different herbs: lime basil, yummy, purple basil, and Thai basil. I love basil, and so does my mom. So I know she'll be really excited about this too. And then it comes with 3 of these, and I guess this is what you place in the water to grow your herbs. And it even comes with adorable little labels here so that you can keep track of which type of basil it is. I love that. That's a really cute add-on. Nice gift idea, especially with Christmas coming up. And I just realized that I'm filming this video with like the most chipped nails on the planet. But I have a pass because I'm 31 weeks pregnant, right? Because like who has time for that? I can't remember these things. I have like the most major pregnancy brain ever. Okay, so next is from Cali UE. This is their double shot instant facelift. Yes! Lord knows I need a facelift, girl. This baby boy, he is giving me a run for my money, y'all. He is just like sucking the life out of me. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. It looks like a huge syringe. How cool is that? Pump a dime-sized amount into the palm of your hand. Ooh, it's like golden. I wasn't expecting that. Tap the product into areas of concern. You can use it on your face and your neck, and then relax. It says to try to keep your face as expressionless as possible for 3 minutes, and you'll feel tightening. And then after it's dried, feel free to continue with your normal makeup routine. So it's, ooh, it's really nice. It kind of feels like a moisturizer. There's no smell whatsoever, and maybe my hand's gonna get an instant facelift now. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. You can just sit there and just watch my face just slowly look younger. Yes, and this is a lot of product, so I absolutely love this. Wouldn't this be a really fun stocking stuffer? Next up is from Ecology, and this is their hyaluronic serum. I love any product with hyaluronic acid. It's just really amazing, super hydrating, makes your skin look nice and plump. So perfect for the winter time when you get dried out. You start to notice more of those wrinkles and fine lines. So a really beautiful glass bottle, nice size. Let me just make sure there's no freaky smell. Oh, that just popped right off there, didn't it? Oh, it has a really nice smell. Almost like a eucalyptus. but it's very light and fresh. It smells good. So you apply this on your skin, face, and neck. So I love that. I can't wait to use that serum. And the packaging's really cute as well. So that's a great add-on. Next is from Dr. Brandt. I always love his products. This is his Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator, which I already own and absolutely love. I use this about twice a week. It is literally the best exfoliator on the market, hands down. It just sloughs off all that dead skin. Your skin will feel so soft, baby smooth and supple, and look really glowy after you use it. So really excited that this is being offered as an add-on. The next add-on is from African Botanics. This is their Revitalizing Therapy Gel. And this is formulated to help with aching joints, sprains, muscle cramps, that kind of thing. So really great after workout. Apply to areas of discomfort and massage well. So let me smell it. You guys know I have a thing with smells. We have to make sure it's not like really stinky. Ooh, it's so minty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my nose was a little bit stuffed. I've had like super bad rhinitis of pregnancy where I'm just like stuffed up all the time. Not anymore. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna leave that on my hand so I can smell it all day. And I am gonna definitely start working out after the new year. And I have not worked out in like a year. So I'm absolutely gonna need a revitalizing therapy gel because I'm going to be one sore mama, I will say. So I'm really loving that add-on. This next add-on is so cute. I love this travel brand. So this is from my Tagalongs. This is their silicone travel bottles. Look how cute. Don't they look like little Christmas bulbs? You can see it comes with 3. They're like a squishy silicone material, so you can put your shampoo, your conditioner, your lotion, whatever you want to take with you. And they are already TSA approved, so you don't have to worry about size or anything like that, which is really convenient. These are really cute and festive. Again, I can't help but think about stocking stuffer ideas because these are so adorable. Next add-on is from Aloe Up. This is for the face, a daily facial moisturizer with sunscreen. It has SPF 25, which is amazing. It's hypoallergenic, it has antioxidants, and it's fragrance free. So it's gonna be great for sensitive skin like mine. Really nice packaging, nice and smooth. Let's smell this guy too. Smells really nice, you guys. Very, very subtle. Alcohol and mineral oil free, phthalate free, paraben free, super natural. So I absolutely love that idea. The next add-on available is from Skyler, and it is the Aero Natural Spray Eau de Toilette. This is spicy, warm, and seductive. Sounds like me, y'all. Ooh, I really love the bottle. That's a lot of product. Beautiful. So it does have a roller ball, so you can roll it right on your wrist. So let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. I hate when scents are too overly sweet. I'm like that girl that likes to use like men's deodorant. Am I the only one that uses men's deodorant? Like, tell me if that's weird or if you've ever used men's deodorant. I just feel like it works better. It smells better. Like, I love the smell of like Axe products. I would use like men's shower gel. I just love it. I think everything smells so much better than like the women's products. They're too sweet for me. So this scent has just that right amount of musk that I love it. It smells really, really good. Okay, I love that. So that's Skyler Aero Eau de Toilette, and I highly recommend that scent. That is a beautiful smell for winter. Oh my goodness. And the final add-on that I have to share with you guys is this really amazing hair care kit that comes with 3 products from Maharo Hair Care. And it has Nourishing Cleansing Cream, Deep Treatment Butter. Yes, I need that. And Blowout Styling Cream. Really good size bottles. I can tell just by the weight of the packaging. It's for all hair types, and it includes Pracaxi oil. I may be butchering that, but it says it's the miracle oil from Brazil. Y'all know them Brazilians have amazing hair, so yes, please. This is going to refresh, restore, and style. So let's check it out, you guys. This is like fancy packaging. Everything is wrapped in tissue inside the box. Ooh. Wow, this is a huge bottle. So this is 6 fluid ounces of their Blowout Styling Cream to use when you blow dry. I'm sorry if you hear like a blower or weed eater in the background. Every time I film, like, it seems like all the lawn care services want to come to the neighborhood and do everybody's yard. Next is their deep treatment butter. This is a post-wash hydrator. I need this so bad. So this is like a deep treatment hair mask. And anything with the word butter in it, I'm just like, yes, yes, please. This is the Nourishing Cleansing Cream. So this is a gentle hair wash similar to shampoo, but it's going to give you way more moisture. It's not going to strip your hair. And this is 8.5 fluid ounces. So really, really amazing. I can't wait to try these out. So that is the final winter add-on that I had to share with you guys. Lots of yummy, moisturizing, smelly good products. So I hope you saw some items that you like. And if you did, head straight over to Fabfitfun and add them onto your box before they sell out. Again, do not forget to use my $10 off coupon code if you're new and want to get your first box. It's a great deal. So thank you so much to Fabfitfun, and I hope everyone's having a great November so far. Bye, guys.